In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro AI. Whether you're brainstorming, mapping a process, or organizing research, Miro's built-in AI can jumpstart your work and help you move faster. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to prompt it effectively, and how to turn the results into something immediately useful on your board. Start by logging into your Miro account and opening the board you're working on. It helps to pick a board with a little open space, or create a new frame so the new content has room to appear. On your board, look to the left side for the main creation toolbar. Just above it, you'll see a button labeled Create with AI. Click that to open the AI panel. If you don't see it, make sure you're on a supported plan and that your board permissions allow AI features. From the Create with AI panel, choose the type of content you want Miro to generate. You can create docs for structured text, diagrams for flows, mind maps for branching ideas, tables for organized data, and sticky notes for rapid ideation. Picking the right format gives the AI a clear structure to work within and makes editing easier later. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you want. Be clear about the goal, audience, and scope. For example, you can specify the outcome you're aiming for, any constraints like word count or number of nodes, and the style or tone you prefer. The more precise the request, the better the output. If you're not sure where to start, use the suggested starter prompts, or give the AI extra context by selecting content that's already on your board. You can highlight notes, shapes, or text before prompting so the AI knows what to build from. This is especially useful for clustering research, summarizing meeting notes, or expanding a rough outline into a polished structure. When you're ready, press Enter or click the arrow to generate. Miro AI will place the content right on your board in the format you chose. Take a moment to review the result. You can drag items to reposition them, rename nodes, adjust connectors, and apply your preferred styles. If it's close but not quite right, refine your prompt and run it again, or ask the AI to elaborate, shorten, or reformat. Keep your board tidy by grouping related content, aligning items, and using frames to contain sections. And remember, you can always undo changes if you want to try a different direction. That's it. Open your board, launch Create with AI, choose a format, write a clear prompt, add context if needed, and generate. With a little practice, Miro AI becomes an amazing partner for brainstorming and structure.